So yeah, I saw something on YouTube about, contractors coming in looking at stuff. We got a nail there. Got a nail there. Almost went into that. Got a nail there. Got a nail up there. Some nails up there. Some more up there. More there. That one broke through that one. One there. One there. One there. Shit ton there. Some there. And there's more in the walls. Also in the inside, there's two spots on my wall in the living room that pretty much have holes in them now and it's broke through the plaster. So I saw the contractor video. He goes, "This is unacceptable. The people that did this should be fired." Yeah, there's so many holes. There's so many, like, look at this shit. Like, really? Great work. Great work. So I will say, and they've never come out to fix the door frame because it's been gapped and now it's, water and everything has been hitting in, so that's probably gonna rot. So Feldco did this. And then the people that did the roof that have actually screwed the roof up, and I'm just waiting for even more damages to happen, was great a good restoration. So all I could say is, be careful who you hire. And I will say there was probably about 10 to 12 Mexicans working on this thing. So they don't give a shit. They just want paid to get done. Both jobs, mind you, were done in a day. So the whole roof, a day, and then the whole siding, a day. When it was, both jobs were supposed to be 2 days. And so you don't think I'm lying, there's the two holes. That one's a pretty big hole right there. See? I don't know what that was, but that's dead now. Great work. And that's the door frame. So yeah, looks like complete crap.